Ready, start. Sri Mahle, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant, submits that the learned single judge of the High Court has grossly erred in allowing the petition filed by respondent numbers 2 to 4 herein. It is submitted that the learned single judge has almost conducted a mini trial which is not permissible for the High Court while exercising its jurisdiction under Section 482 of CRPC. He submits that since the High Court has exceeded its jurisdiction under Section 482 of CRPC, the judgment and order passed by the High Court needs to be quashed and set aside. Sri Mahle submits that in any case the learned single judge of the High Court has grossly erred in quashing the proceedings under Section 306 of IPC. It is submitted that the learned single judge of the High Court has not given any reason as to why the allegations taken at its face value in the FIR, the case under Section 306 of IPC, could not be made out. Sri Mahle submits that the learned single judge of the High Court has grossly erred insofar as quashing of the proceedings under Section 420 of IPC is concerned. It is submitted that during the investigation, the investigating agency has seized sufficient material to indicate that respondent numbers 2 to 4 had committed an act of cheating, breach of trust, and forgery. Sri Naidu, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of respondent numbers 2 to 4, submits that the learned single judge has, upon consideration of the entire material in a well-reasoned order, found that the allegations taken at its face value do not constitute an offense punishable under sections 306 and 420 of IPC. He submits that no case is made out for interference and pressed for dismissal of the appeal. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 state submits that after the matter was investigated, the investigating agency found sufficient material to proceed for the offense punishable under sections 306 and 420 of IPC. He therefore supports the appeal. Insofar as the averment in the FIR with regard to the offense punishable under Section 306 of IPC is concerned, it is averred by the appellant complainant that after her husband had died on 14th April 2024 by committing suicide while she was checking the belongings of her deceased husband on 18th May 2024, she found a death note written by her husband in his own handwriting. She narrated that after she read the said death note, she came to know that her husband has incurred a loss of rupees 60 crore and was cheated by the partners of respondent numbers 2 and 3 herein. She has stated in the FIR that respondent numbers 2 and 3 have given false promises and forged her husband's signature on blank checks and blank papers and misused the same. She further stated that her husband was blackmailed by respondent numbers 2 and 3. She further states that her husband used to always be worried about the fraudulent activities of respondent numbers 2 and 3.